All right, today we're going to look at how to identify three-dimensional figures. So there's some drawn here, and if you want to grab some paper and a pencil, and you can practice drawing some of these with me. So on this first one is a sphere. So a sphere is going to look just like a ball, like a basketball. So try to draw one with me. So first just draw a circle. And then to show dimension on that, you can draw a part like that. So that's the sphere. The next one we're going to look at is a cylinder. So a cylinder, something in real life, would be like a can of green beans. So let's try to draw that one. I'm going to start over on that one. So draw two ovals so that you're looking at it from not right above it, but to the side. And then just draw the edges on there. All right, the next one's the rectangular prism. So start with a rectangle. Then you're going to try to draw another rectangle the same size. You can overlap them if you choose to. Then connect top left to top left, top right to top right, and then the bottom ones as well. So something in real life would be just like a box, a shoe box, or even a tissue box. Okay, on this page we have a cube. Even though it has a special name cube, it is also a rectangular prism. So to draw that, since all sides are the same, then draw a square, and then another square the same size, and then connect those like we did the other rectangular prism. So top left to top left, top right to top right, etc. So something in real life like that would be like dice or number cubes. Okay, the next one's the cone. So to draw that one, draw the top part of a triangle. And then you're kind of seeing it from a different perspective. So draw just a curved, and then on the back side of that, the dotted part. So like an ice cream cone. Usually we would see it opposite than that, flipped over. Okay, this next one's the triangular prism. So with a prism, you have two bases, and so if it's a triangular prism, you would have two triangles. So you're going to start with two triangles. Try to offset those a little bit, drawing them the same size. And then connect the top vertices together, the bottom left, and then the bottom right. Okay, now we have a pyramid, two different kinds of pyramids. The pyramids are named for the shape of their base. So the top one is the triangular pyramid. Notice it's sitting on a triangle. And this bottom one is sitting on a rectangle, so that therefore it's a rectangular pyramid. So to draw this first one, let's just draw the front of what we're seeing, like if you were standing next to it. And then we're drawing the inside of it, the parts we couldn't see if we were standing right in front. So you can see the dimensions there. Okay, this one would be something more similar like the pyramids that the Egyptians built. So they're going to have more of a rectangle or even a square base. Then you can pick a point up above it and connect each vertex to that. So you could have other pyramids other than the triangular and rectangular pyramid. Those are just the two you're going to see most of. So the last thing for me to go over before you try your practice problems is if you get mixed up between like triangular prisms or triangular pyramids, here's some things to remember. With a prism, they're going to have rectangles, okay? So between the two bases. So with a rectangular prism, of course, all the sides are rectangles, but you can see with a triangular prism here that you've got two triangles on either end, and then the rectangles are in between them. Then down here on the pyramids, they have triangles around the base. So on this one, it has a triangular base, but then these triangles and the one on the front are wrapping around that. Same thing on this one. You have a rectangle for the base, but there's 4 triangles that are wrapping around that. All right, so you're now going to try your practice problems. So if you're online, then you're still going to be logging into ALEKS your normal way. And then there's going to be an assignment that's lesson 1, and it'll have identifying 3-dimensional figures, just like this title here. And you'll go in and try them. You can try them. It'll let you redo them if you mess up. And then once I can tell that, you just have to complete your assignments in order to get credit for them. But you can retry as many times as you want. Good luck.